Hello and welcome to a news item from DCME Theme Park News. So, the Wonder Woman ride called Lasso of Truth at Six Flags Great Adventure has been fenced off just recently. Blue fence gone across. It's only opened in June and standing 17 stories high, approaching speeds of 70 miles per hour. It's a pendulum ride. Think Maelstrom at Drayton Manor. And obviously just recently there's been 2 deaths on pendulum type rides in Uzbekistan and India. Although from theme park enthusiasts that I know, it looks like they're just bad clones of, you know, major manufacturers' rides. So the problem with the ride at Six Flags Great Adventure is it suffered from a motor malfunction. It's not the first one of these to happen. Shortly after the opening at Six Flags Park, similar sort of issue happened on Crazanity. But not good for a coaster that's not long opened. You know, especially when you spend all that money. You know. So that's the first of these news tidbits. I'm going to be doing plenty of these for DCME Theme Park News. When I see something interesting, we'll just post it and let you know straight away what's happening. Thanks for watching. See you soon.